Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you guys can see, probably from my camera angle, we are actually going to be doing a POV today. We're doing a daytime POV. I mean, it's currently 8 AM. I don't even know if you guys can see that. So I'm actually well tired, and it's also, if you guys can see, it's icy out. But we might catch a little bit of a sunrise. I don't know, that'd be kind of cute, wouldn't it? It'd be like a little romantic setting. Let me get out of the car quickly and show you guys my car. You've seen it loads of times before, but I might as well re-show you. Let's make sure there's no cars because I look like a twat with this GoPro on my head. Can you see me? Sound? Yeah, so obviously we've got my Audi A1 here. She is pretty dirty and she's also iced up a little bit. It looks kind of cool in the ice and the snow. It looks sick. I'm gonna take a picture. Let's get a picture of her. Oh, and there's a semi-sunset behind. That is so cute. What's not cute is my snap splitter. I don't know if you guys can see it, and I have no idea what my head is pointing at. But she is snap. Oh, fucking hell, I've done her more. Oh, dear. That was yesterday. I went up on the grass verge a little bit too far, as you can see by the mud on it, so I snapped her a bit more. We've got the chameleon tin, which always looks so sick. It's literally blue. It's my favourite thing when your car's just sat like this. It's so sick. Someone's making a fucking bonfire over there. But yeah, before we start the POV, I do want to hop in the car quickly and talk about the sponsors of today's video, CarVle. Let's get in. CarVle is actually a used car history checker that scans through a vehicle's entire history to show you guys if there's any previous damage done to the car, if there's any mileage tampering, or if the car's ever been reported as stolen. And that's why it's so important to use CarVle when you're looking to buy a used car, just for peace of mind that there's nothing wrong with it that you probably wouldn't be able to see if you were just looking at the car. But before I show you guys how CarVle works, if you are interested, click the link in the description to get an automatic 10% off, or use my discount code Chloe, which will also get you 10% off. So how CarVle works is you take the VIN or the registration number, pop it into CarVle, and it will produce a report for that specific vehicle. So I've actually got a report here for a Honda S2000, and as you guys can see, the odometer is all good. However, there is a warning light for the financial and legal status, and if we click that, we can see that this vehicle is marked as scrap. There's also a warning light on this report for damage, and if we click that, we can see this vehicle was marked as insurance write-off. If we scroll down, we can see that in 2019 it was written off as a category B, which means it was unrepairable. However, there was some salvageable parts. CarVle has photos to go along with the damage, and if we click this, we can see that the whole front end of this car is destroyed. I mean, my God, the wheel's practically popping out. Like, if you need a spare wheel, like, you could just nick that because it's oh, the other one's even worse. But literally everything you need to know is shown to you in this CarVle report, and that's why it's so important when buying a used car that you check the reg out on CarVle, just to save yourself the money and save yourself the hassle, guys. So if you guys are at all interested in CarVle, click the link in the description to get an automatic 10% off, or use my discount code Chloe, which will also get you 10% off, and go check your used car out on CarVle today. But yeah, another massive shout out to CarVle for sponsoring today's video, and yeah, let's start the POV drive, watch the sunrise. Oh, it's gonna be cute. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna start driving. Hold on, I need some hand cream because I've got issues. Minus, no, that doesn't say minus, that's a plus actually. Sorry, apparently I didn't do maths very good. This was probably a bad road to do at 8:15 in the morning when it's icy, because it's gonna be like a little slip and slide, like a little ice rink, I think. Fucking hell, someone's had a great chop. Oh, there's another bonfire. This is where they're not actually doing a bonfire and it's just set alight, and I'm just been there like, oh my God, how cute, someone's making a bonfire. I've actually got a video. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Oh my God, do you think there's somewhere I can go to take a picture of that? Like with my car? Oh, that would be so pretty. Hello, you have a lovely house. Oh, I feel like it's slippy. Ew, that was gross. Oh, I'm gonna slow down. Because my car's about to take off. Yeah, my car's actually been in the garage since January the 1st actually. I started a video on it, but I haven't got that video out yet because we haven't actually fixed the problem yet. We don't think. I woke up January the 1st. Happy New Year, guys. It's a great new year, 2024. I went in my car. I looked at the passenger side and I thought, that mat looks a bit wet. Oh my God, that's so fucking pretty. Oh my days. What the fuck? Did you guys just feel that? I'm gonna get a thumbnail with the sunrise. on a main road. Oh, I skidded, I think. That's what I did. Quick, quick. Oh, fucking hell, that. Sound. Cheeky Instagram plug. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, check it out at chl_.oe. Yeah, just for like updates on stuff. I've accomplished what I wanted, which was to see the sunrise. I've also skidded. They're my skid marks, I think. So let's drive extra fucking carefully because I'm gonna, oh my days. Babe, that's like ice. If I don't end up in that bush by the end of this video, I'm gonna be impressed. I don't have the facilities for this one. I need a big boy 4x4. I need like a snow truck. Oh, so obviously I know I haven't uploaded much recently and I do apologise for that. I will try and get back into like the routine of things. Location is my biggest issue, and it sounds like a poor excuse, but location is an issue for me because I find I've got nowhere to film. Like I used to occasionally do stuff in my dad's garage, but I now can't get in there because, well, as soon as I put the splitter on I couldn't get in. I'm now lowered, so there's absolutely zero opportunity for me to get in there. Like, it's not happening. Sand. Oh my, do you see my traction light? This is gonna be a very slow, very subtle POV. Or we're gonna crash. Yeah, obviously, my last video, I lowered the Audi A1. Do you know what? It looks so much better. Oh, this is so skiddy. Everyone says how much better it looks. Like, the fitment is so good. We did well there, guys. We did well. However, oh my God, the ride is so uncomfy. Like, you hit a pothole, it generally makes me want to be sick when I hear the noise it makes. Like, are you having a giggle? The noise it makes. Did you just hear it then? I don't know if you heard it then. But sometimes you hit a pothole, right, and you can't avoid them, or they just come out of drains. Drains are the worst. There'll be drains in the road you hear, and it generally sounds like my car's about to explode. Like, oh, did I finish the story on the leak? I don't know if I did. So basically, yeah, I looked, New Year's Day, I looked at the floor, and I thought that carpet looks wet. I pulled it back, it was soaked through. The floor underneath, the carpet was soaked. In the back footwell of the passenger, again, it was soaked through. There was actually puddles. Like, when I started driving later on in the day, my guy, the water was sloshing about. I text Alan, and Alan is such like a top guy, right? New Year's Day, I sent him a Snapchat and I was like, can you look at my car at some point? Like, I think I've got a leak. I definitely got a leak. Are you having a laugh? There was practically a swimming pool in there. And he was like, yeah, I'm down the unit if you want to bring down. And I was like, fucking sound. But yeah, obviously I've got my car back at the moment because I had work and I needed it, and it's been really sunny, so I was like, it'll be fine. And he's yeah, he sprayed all the gutters out. He said he doesn't think it will solve the problem, but he said there's no point in him stripping the interior just in case. So when it rains, we'll see if it leaks again. If it does, we're gonna take it back in. He's gonna strip the whole interior. So yeah, that's life on the A1 at the moment. I feel like we hit a 3-month mark with the car, and then it's like, do you know what, Chloe? Let's rip your bank apart. Not to Clue Bridge. I don't have a pop and bang map for a bridge to be useful, but it's kind of cool anyway. Anyway, let me know, guys, how your 2024's going. Yeah, obviously it's a new year, new start. Well, that's the typical thing everyone says. I don't actively do like resolutions or goals. I probably should. Whee! I wonder if that's like an ice rink. I don't know if it's cold enough for that, actually. I mean, it does feel that cold, but yeah, this is from all the floods we had. Oh my God, it's actually frozen. Sort of, I mean, I wouldn't ice skate on it, but like, it looks sick, it's frozen. I got a new job, guys. Obviously, I think the last Q&A we did, I said that I didn't have a job because I'd quit, I quit Primark. And I now work in this hotel / pub as a housekeeper. So I sort all the rooms out, I clean people's shit up out the toilet. Fucking vile. I change the beds, I like hoover, I dust, I do all that shit. It's in like this hotel pub, it's like 40 minutes from where I live. So it's a bit of a trek, but like I don't mind the drive, so it's fine, and the pay is good. Actually, as I'm filming this today, I was supposed to be in, I was rotated in to start at 9 o'clock today, and there was no check-ins for that night. So last night there was no check-ins. So I would have literally gone in for like 2 hours of front of housekeeping, and that doesn't even take 2 hours. It would have been a really pointless journey. I would have done an hour and 20 minutes of driving for a 2 hour shift. Like, it's just no point. So the manager texted me, he was like, there's no check-in, so just don't come in. And I was like, sound. But yeah, it's a decent job. It's really chill. Like, I get left alone. Like, once I'm upstairs in the housekeeper room, all the rooms connect from there, and like no one, I don't see a single person really. So it's great. I put my AirPods in, I vibe. It's great. I don't know if you guys can see on this road, I need a wheel alignment, I think, because my steering wheel pulls massively to the left. Like, look, if you go so straight, the wheel just goes to the left. I don't know how well you can see it. There you go. So yeah, I need to get that sorted actually. I need to get spacers soon as well. Obviously I need to get new alloys at some point, but that's like that's a not right now because I'm way too poor. Like, when I get home, I might call it Tesco's actually. I'll give you guys a Tesco's haul. I'll call it Tesco's and then we'll finish the video on the other camera. I'll give you guys a little Tesco's haul. Don't know what I'm gonna buy, but we'll soon see. If you guys drink hot chocolate, I know this is really random. If you guys drink hot chocolate, do you prefer Cadbury's hot chocolate or Galaxy? Because I think it's Galaxy all the way. I think Cadbury's taste gross. Let me know, guys, any videos you want to see. At some point I'm going to buy a new splitter for my car because obviously I've snapped this one to pieces and it was also the wrong one. So I bought a Max and Design one, which I thought was for my car. Turns out it's, because mine's an S-line, it doesn't actually fit it properly. So I need to go to the Tripler Composites, is it? They do a splitter for an S1 and an A1 S-line. So that's where I'm gonna get my new one from, because I've seen on everyone's Instagram, everyone goes to TRC and it looks so much better. Like, it's so sick. I'm potentially very soon gonna be working with Forge, which I'm so excited about. Like, I feel very grateful to be working with them. Like, they're so lovely down there and they're super sick, so I feel very blessed to be working with them soon. So a video on that will be coming. It's in the plan works at the moment. I want to do some car features, I'm thinking. Obviously that one's a bit scary because like it's like you got to film with someone you don't know and all this stuff, but like that's definitely something I want to do in the future. So if you guys have any like cool cars that you want to potentially see on the channel, obviously do let me know. I don't know if it's something I'm going to do right this second because obviously I think the weather's a bit shit as well. We won't even be able to test the fucking cars properly because it's icy. But like more to the when it gets to the warmer months, more towards the summer, it definitely would be something I'll be interested in. I think it'll branch the channel out a little bit. It'll give you guys some different content, some different cars. We can get some really like sick cars on there hopefully. So yeah, if you guys do potentially want to feature on the channel and you're comfortable on camera and stuff like that, obviously let me know and I can keep you guys in mind. Or when I am looking, I will ask you guys over on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram at chl_.oe. Not gonna lie guys, I am not far from Tesco's and my GoPro battery I think is about to die. So I'm gonna stop filming on the GoPro now, go into Tesco's, go do my little shop, whatever I decide I'm gonna get, and then I'll give you guys a little Tesco haul and end the video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Okay, I'm back home, so let's give you guys probably aren't even interested in this at all, but like I want to show you anyway because like why not. We've got a Tesco haul. Okay, so for my lunch I bought these noodles. These noodles, right, are so good. Like, they're so easy. I always have the chili ones, but I got some teriyaki ones to try. But I always get the chili ones and they're so good. They're actually quite spicy, to be fair. But you literally, they're the easiest thing. You just fill up with boiling water to the line, put the lid back on, let it sit for 3 minutes, stir the sauce in, you're done. Easy. I love them. Then for breakfast, as you guys can tell from this, I have a really healthy lifestyle. Blueberry muffins. And then I got some hot chocolate, so I can have a hot chocolate this morning with the blueberry muffin. The frothy hot chocolate though, because this one is top tier, it's elite. If you haven't tried it, honestly try it, it's so good. I bought some mini eggs because I just saw them and I thought mini eggs, they're not around all year, so. And then to make myself feel good, to feel healthy and to balance out the very good diet I have, I bought 4 bottles of strawberry water. They have to be strawberry water because I hate normal water. I could deal with normal water, normal bottled water. Cannot drink that water, it's disgusting. Anyway, that's my little Tesco haul. Not that interesting guys, but I just thought I would show you anyway. I am unfortunately going to end today's video here. That's the POV done in my Audi A1. But yeah, I am unfortunately going to end today's video here. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. I'm really sorry about the lack of uploads recently. I will try my best to get back into it. YouTube is a massive like mental game and a massive like you've got to be in the right headspace and in the right like, you know, to do it, otherwise it just doesn't work. Yeah, I'm trying to get back into it, but yeah, I appreciate you guys for being patient with me. I will try my hardest to get videos going again, get a consistent upload schedule. Appreciate all the support all the time. You guys are so good to me. But yeah, follow me on Instagram, guys, at chl_.oe. Subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you, or we'll see you in my next video. Bye!